Have some new prefixes, roots, and suffixes we're going to be looking at this week. We have one suffix that we've already seen before, so I've added that to our list. That is enjoyable. Let's go ahead and look at this new prefix that we have this week. We have dis as a prefix, which means a part or opposite of. And a word I was thinking of is the word disappear. Because if we make something disappear, that is the opposite of making it appear. What dis words do you know of? This week, our roots are cern and cert, and they're different because they depend on the ending, whether they are spelled with an N or a T. They mean to distinguish, to separate, or to make certain. So we're going to see a few words here that have either one of those roots to create words that relate to either distinguishing, to separate, or to make certain. Let's go ahead and take a look at our suffixes. Since we have so many new ones today, fi, to do or to make, the word I was thinking of is purify. Earlier in one of our lessons, we used the word purity. If water has purity, we know that it's pure, which means it's a noun. Purity is a thing. But to purify is to make pure. So that is a verb, purify. Let's talk about words that end with I-B-L-E. They're very similar to A-B-L-E, but we're talking about something that is able to be, like the word edible. If something is edible, that means it's able to be eaten, edible. Looking at the suffix ment, we did actually have a word that we were using for that, but I decided I didn't like it as well. It was the word comment, which can be a verb or a noun. So I think that word is a little unclear as our helping word. So I decided to use the word commitment. And commitment is a noun. It's something that you have. It's something that you show, that which shows that you are committed to something. If you have commitment, you don't give up. Or if you have an appointment, you might call that a commitment. So you are committed to going and you're not able to do something else with that time. And finally, tude, state, quality, or act. Here's the word I thought of, attitude. You might have been thinking of that word as well. Your attitude shows how you feel toward something. Attitude, it is a noun. Next, we'll turn our attention to these words and seeing if we can identify the parts of speech using this information as clues to help us. You'll fill them in on your page, as well as let me know on this Edpuzzle what part of speech you think each one of these words is. As always, we'll also circle roots and underline prefixes and suffixes on your page. Thanks so much for your work, friends. I look forward to learning more new words with you this week.